Good morning everyone. Today I will solve exercise 8.4. First question, express the trigonometric ratio sin A sec A and tan A in term of cot A. So will change how can change sin A into cot A, sec A into tan A, tan A into cot A. So we can change these ratio with the help of trigonometry formula. So now let us start solution of this question. Since 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A, cosec square A by formula, and also we can write or cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A, or cosec A is equal to square root 1 plus cot square A. So divide by 1 both side. So cosec A is equal to 1 plus 1 plus cot A, cot square A. So divide by 1 and reverse 1 upon cosec A is equal to 1 upon root 1 plus cot square A. So 1 upon sin is equal to sin A is equal to 1 upon root 1 plus cot square A. So this is change sin A into cot A. So this is first answer. Sec A change into tan A. So we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Also can be write cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So above result, since sin A is equal to 1 upon root 1 plus cot square A, cot square A. So now this value put here 1 minus sin square A 1 upon root 1 plus cot square A. So square. So 1 minus 1 square 1 square root. So 1 plus cot square A. Now taking LCM, so 1 plus cot square A minus 1 upon 1 plus cot square A. So 1 minus cos sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Since this is identity, so find sec. So sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So sin above result, sin A is equal to 1 upon root 1 plus cot square A. Now put here this value. So 1 square 1 and root n square cancel out, we get 1 plus cot square A. Now taking LCM, so 1 plus cot square A this, so this 1 plus cot square A multiply by 1 get 1 plus cot square A and minus 1. So plus minus cancel out, so cos square A is equal to this. So cos square A is equal to cot square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Also change cos A is equal to root cot square A upon 1 plus cot square A. So cos A is equal to cot A upon root 1 plus cot square A. So cos A is equal to root cot square A upon 1 plus cot square A. So square root and square cancel out, cot A upon root 1 plus cot square A. Since sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A, so now this value put here. So 1 upon cot A upon root 1 plus cot square A. So now get, so reverse root 1 plus cot square A upon cot A. This is sec A. So this is answer second. And also this result, so sin A is equal to 1 upon root 1 plus cot square A, and sec A is equal to root 1 plus cot square A upon cot A, and tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. This is answer of first question. Question number third, evaluate first part sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree upon cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Since we know that since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, this is identity, we get 1. So with the help of this identity you can solve. So this is theta, sine square theta, sine square theta change into cos, and theta they are different but you can change same away. So now sine, since sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So 90, this is change ratio cos. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to sin cos theta theta. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So now these identity, so you can change in other form. So sine square 63 degree and plus sine square 90 minus 63 and upon sine, so cos square 70 degree plus cos square 90 minus 17 degree. So 90 minus 63 is equal to 27 and 90 minus 17 get 73. So now use this formula. So sine square 63 degree plus sine square, so sine square 90 minus sine 90 minus theta get cos theta. So cos square, so theta, so 63, so 63. And also you can change cos square 17 degree plus cos 90 minus theta, so cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So this is also you can change with the help of this formula. So cos 90 minus 17, so cos sin, so cos to change into sin, cos change into sin and 17 degree. So this is square. So this formula you can, so now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is theta value are same, 63 sin square cos square. So get you can write 1. So this formula use, so you can write 1 upon also sin square cos square angle, these are same. So we can write 1 upon 1 get 1. This is answer. Second part, sin 25 degree cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree sin 65 degree. So also you can change, so sin 25 degree and also cos 90 minus 25 degree and plus cos 25 degree, so sin 90 minus 25 degree. So 90 minus 25 get 65 and also 90 minus 25 get 65. Since we know that since sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta and also cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So now these formula can use. So sin 25 degree, so sin cos So sine 25. So theta, this is theta 25, this is 25. Any cos change into sine 25. Also you can change cos 25 degree plus cos sine 90 minus theta. Sine will be changed cos theta to theta. So sine cos 25 degree. So sine 25, so sine square 25, sine square 25 degree, and also cos 25, cos 25, so cos square 25 degree. So since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, this is identity. So sine square, so sine square theta angle, so 25 both are same, this is value is 1, this is answer. Fourth solve. First part, 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. So 9 common out. So sec square a minus tan square a is equal to, since 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, this is identity. So this identity sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. Now put here, so we get 1 plus tan square a minus tan square a. So tan square a cancel out. So 9 into 1 is equal to 9. This is answer. Second part, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta, in another bracket 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Now you can change in sine cos. So tan theta is equal to, by formula, sine theta upon cos theta, and also sec theta formula 1 upon cos theta. So this is bracket, and another bracket you can change 1 plus cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sine theta, and minus cosec theta 1 upon sine theta. So this is plus. So now taking LCM, get cos theta. So cos multiply by this cos theta, cos cancel out, so sine theta and plus cos cancel out, we get 1, and this. And also taking LCM, sine theta and sine theta plus cos theta, and sine cancel out, 1. So cos plus sine, so sine plus cos, you can change sine and sine theta plus cos theta plus 1, and upon cos theta, and into sine theta plus cos theta minus 1 upon sine theta. So this is sine plus cos, so this is close in a small bracket, and this is sine theta plus cos theta, so close is small bracket. So a plus b a minus b. So identity a square minus b square. So now sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square upon cos theta into sin theta. So also you can write so now sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 upon cos theta into sin theta. So a plus b whole square. So a square sin square theta plus cos square theta, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So sin theta into cos theta into minus 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. So since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, this is identity, we get this is 1 plus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. So 1 cancel out. So 2 cos theta into sin theta upon sin theta into cos theta. So sin cancel out, cos cancel out, 2. This is answer. Third part, sec a plus tan a and 1 minus tan a. 1 minus tan a, no sin a. So this is changed in original form. So sec a 1 upon cos a plus tan a sin a upon cos a 1 minus sin a. So this cos a common out and cos a common out, taking LCM cos. So 1 plus sin a 1 minus sin a. So 1 plus sin a 1 minus sin a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square 1 square sin का होल स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर अपॉन cos a and also 1 minus sin square a upon sin square a upon cos a. So identity 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a upon cos a. So cos square cancel out, so remaining same 1 cos a. Yes, this is answer. Fourth part, 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a. So we know that by identity 1 plus tan square a, so this is sec square a, and upon 1 plus cot square a, this is identity cosec square a. Since 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta identity, and also 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So now sec a 1 upon cos square a and cos a 1 upon cosec a 1 upon sin square a, since sec a is equal to 1 upon cos a and also cosec a is equal to 1 upon sin a. So these now change with the help of this. So sec a 1 upon cos square a, cosec square a 1 upon sin square a. So now reverse sin square a upon cos square a is equal to tan square a. This is answer. Question number 5, prove that. So first part, cosec theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So now taking LHS, proof that. So LHS, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So now cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta minus cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta whole square. So now taking LCM, sin, so sin theta and also sin cancel out, remaining 1 and minus sin cancel out, rest cos theta whole square. And also you can write 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin square theta. So now given question, cosec theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta upon. So now taking LHS we can solve and at last answer 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So now take LHS, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So now cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta and also cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So sin theta, these are same. So sin theta write down and so numerator also write down. So 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square also can write and upon sin square. So this is sin square. So square, so sin square theta. Since 1 minus, so sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is identity. So you can write also 1 minus cos theta whole square upon 1 minus cos square theta. So also we can change this. So 1 minus cos theta whole square upon 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 square. So a square minus b square. So you can write a square minus b square. So a plus b and also a minus b. So 1 plus cos theta whole square, 1 minus cos theta whole square upon 1 plus cos theta in first bracket and second bracket 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, so power cancel out. So remaining 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This is right hand side, hence proved. That's all.